Here's the final look at the fully repainted of my Kamen Rider Kabuto, and it does look absolutely amazing. Stay tuned. Hi guys, welcome back to Articulate. Today I will be looking at this Kamen Rider Kabuto. Of course, this Kamen Rider, the paint actually faded off, as you can see here on the helmet. Similarly, on the chest section here, the torso is also faded off, especially the red color. So I may need to repaint this whole thing, and also the arms at the top of this arm, the red color is also faded off. So as for the belt here, I may need to repaint some of the parts. There are some black and also red color which is missing here. So stay tuned for the repainting. First thing I need to do for repainting this figure is a lot of masking. This is a very tedious and time-consuming work. So the task to mask all the silver color, the black, especially some of these black area, I may need to spray over with the red color, and also the black color on the chest and the stomach area. I may need to spray over with the red color. So maybe I have to repaint it over later on. The arms is a little bit simple, only a small section whereby I need to spray paint. That will be very easily to spray over. So this is the overall look, and this is the spray paint that I have done. As you can see here, I have peeled off some of the parts, exposing the original paint. Of course, the centerpiece here, the black color, I have to manually repaint it. And the shoulder here also is already completed. I'm starting to peel off some of these parts. Hopefully the edges is sharp enough for me to complete my work. If not, then I may need to hand paint it, touch up. So the other thing is the helmet. Of course, the head unit is very nicely masked. Hopefully it will turn out nice. Finally, this is how it looks after the repainting of this figure. As you can see, this is how it looks. Absolutely amazing. Look at that. Of course, if you do own the Medicom RAH, that one will be a very impressive figure. Of course, I thought maybe to get hold of this 16Q Sophobi figure, and it does look very nice. As you can see, even the eye socket here, there are a lot of three-dimensional look. The blue color is very nice. The red is very impressive. In the end, I'm quite satisfied with this figure. Very nice. Absolutely stunning. Look at that. Of course, I would like to show you guys the color that I have used. This is the MODO M003. Of course, you need to thin this down probably 50% in order to get this kind of glossy effect. You will need to spray paint it with an airbrush. The airbrush that I'm using is this one, a small one. So this is my first time using the airbrush, and the outcome is very nice. Look at that. So maybe I show you the back. Of course, there are a lot of silver paint which also scratch. So I actually hand painted some of the silver paint, retouch up the edges, and also the black portion here at the center of this chest piece and the stomach. The black color I have hand painted myself. A lot of retouching at the edges of the eye socket for the red color to give it a sharp edge between the red and silver color. So that's all. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Until then, Articulate signing off. Remember to share, subscribe, and spread the love. See you guys next time. Cheers.